Let's experiment and play with nature. Go outside and gather natural materials. How many different types of leaves can you find? Try arranging them in rainbow order, from biggest to smallest. Back inside, place the materials on a flat surface and shine a light onto them. Try turning the lights off or going to a dark room if you don't see any shadows. What do the shadows look like? Are they jagged or smooth? How does the shadow change when you move the light around the object? What happens when you put a leaf over the top of the light? Shine a light against the wall and observe the shadows of your materials there. Can you combine materials to change that shadow? Can you tell a story with your materials? What does your shadow look like? Can you make a shadow look like something else? Try making a rubbing with leaves you found, or tracing the shadow of your natural materials and making a watercolor painting.
Good morning, boys and girls. Miss Keena here. Let's sit on our knees today for yoga. And we'll rub the hands together and take a deep breath in. Awesome. All right, today we're going to do some of our breathing techniques. And we'll be different animals, just like when you dress up and you get to act out all sorts of different things. First, we're going to be a wolf. Exhale forward. Deep breath in. Exhale forward, deep breath in. Exhale forward, one more. Good. Now we'll be a lion. So as you come forward, this time you get to roar. Stick your tongue out, make it loud. Exhale forward, deep inhale. One more time. Exhale forward, deep inhale. And then we'll come into camel. So bringing your hands on your back, you can lean back like a camel looking up to the sky. Hello, sunshine. And as we fold forward, we'll curl up in a little mouse pose. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Rest your back. Breathing in. Beautiful. So good to see you this morning. Rub your hands together and let's om together. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.